Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you Schiffli dresses. These dresses are very pretty and rich fabric is used in this video. If you wanna copy these and if you wanna order these dresses, you can order these dresses online and you can stitch these dresses by yourself easily. These designs are very easy and pretty. So friends, don't skip the video, watch till the end. I hope you will enjoy it. As you can see, beautiful colors are in this Schiffli beautiful fabric. Every fabric have their own pattern and cuts. So friends, if you like these dresses, then hit the like button and also tell me about today's video in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. If you have any kind of demand, write your demand in the comment section. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. Today's video is related to Schiffli summer dresses. So friends, I hope you like these dresses. If you like these dresses, then hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. So friends, this was my today's video. Now let me say to take care. Bye bye.